Hello, my name is Brittany and I am an employee at Renault's. I'm here to present our amazing 2019 Marklin Days tour in Göppingen, Germany this coming September. Marklin Days is an annual 3-day event that continues to grow each year. Along with the many new items, you will enjoy the IMA train exhibition featuring amazing layouts and other manufacturers. During the 3-day event, we'll take you on a journey to see Marklin factory, live locomotives from all over Europe, and so much more. The new Marklin Museum and Marklin Factory Store are finally open to the public, so join us this year on our 2019 Marklin Days tour. After arrival, the first day will be spent on the hop-on, hop-off bus. This service is the best way to get around the city while exploring everything it has to offer. The bus can be ridden for the entire time for the complete tour, or exit at any of the stops for a closer look. For the next 3 days, we will take the train from Stuttgart to Göppingen. Everyone is free to do as they please, but we recommend the factory tour and watching the assembly of the locomotive on the first day. For the second Marklin Day, we recommend seeing the real trains. You can even get into the cab of different locomotives and take actual historical rides. Heading back to Göppingen for the third day, if you haven't visited the included International Model Train exhibition, now is the time. There will be over 140 dealers showing their items. To conclude the Marklin Days, we come back to the station and watch the locomotive parade. On day 4, we will take the Stuttgart Rack Railway to the TV tower. The tower is 217 meters tall, and we will enjoy coffee and cake in the 150-meter high restaurant. On day 5, the Mercedes Museum is one of our highlights on our trip. The Mercedes Museum celebrates more than 130 years of automotive history with over 1,500 exhibits on 9 floors. At the heart of the exhibits are 160 vehicles, some of the first ever built auto racing legends and prototype cars of the future.